bridge in a sorry state of repairs. Remember having a pint and something to eat in here. Used to have pictures up of the canal. Not anymore. So I'm actually in Cotmanay, Ilkeston, here to see the Bennerley Viaduct, the Iron Giant. Last had trains going over to the 1960s, I believe, and was built in 1877. It's a wrought iron lattice framed bridge designed to save weight because of the mines underneath there, the coal mines. They didn't think that the foundations would take the weight of a stone bridge, so they built a wrought iron lattice bridge. It was derelict, but now a grade 2 listed building, rare engineering triumph, and they've made it into a footpath over the top now. Last time I was here many years ago, and there wasn't a footpath over the top. You could still get over there, but it was it was like steel girders. It wasn't really suitable for walking on. But I've decided to come here today because it's a big open area, offers us some interest. I'm going to fly my drone around there, get some practice, hopefully some cool shots of the viaduct. Let's go. We'll try down this way first. We'll have a look at the viewing point. We might have to go back onto the canal path to get back to the actual viaduct. I'm not sure. It's a long time since I've been. Oh no, we're here actually. This is it. There's a view of the viaduct. People walking over the top, we'll go there later. So there was actually someone else here also with a drone. It was their first time out with a drone as well. So yeah, that was interesting. They seem to be having fun, but they packed up and gone now. Last time I was here, there was access to a lot of wasteland, but they seem to have blocked it off now. There's still a bit of area here at the bottom. We should be able to fly the drone around. Just got to be careful not to lose it. Right, let's get some drone action.
Critically low battery warning.
So that was a little bit of drone action from the ground. Quite a bit of playtime before the battery went flat, enough to get the shots you need. We're going to have a walk on top of the bridge now, on top of the viaduct, see what the views are like from up there. Might give it another fly when I get up there, we'll see. There's quite a few people on top of the viaduct, so I don't think I'll be getting my drone out up here. So I'll walk to the other end, see if you can get down. I think Uncle Michael said it's blocked off because they're building a visitor centre, but we'll go and see. Here you can see the metal girders I was talking about. Last time I came here this footpath wasn't over the top, it was just these girders. Some rust going off there. There's all the wasteland. I thought I'd be able to get on there. There are people on there, a few walkers and some motorcyclists, but I'm not sure how you get on. You couldn't get on down there where I was before. The bridge has collapsed. So there must have been another one. That would have been ideal for flying the drone around in there. Yeah, I think I'm going to call that there. It was only a short flight. There wasn't much room where I was, and if it well, I was flying the drone, if it had gone down, it would have been a real mission, really hard, if not impossible, to go and retrieve it. Likewise, on top of this bridge, I don't really fancy taking it off from the bridge in case it doesn't land back on the bridge. If it lands on the ground somewhere, I don't know how I'd go and get it back. It'd be miles of walking, and I don't really know the way of how to get down there. So we're going to scrap that idea. It's a shame I couldn't get onto all this wasteland here. That would have been ideal to fly it from down there. But not to worry, I enjoyed that anyway. Got a bit more experience getting out into the Peak District tomorrow, walking. So I'll take my drone with me then. Hopefully, if it's not too windy on the tops, I might get a few drone shots up there. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.